Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to back up your Google Authenticator codes so you don't lose access to your accounts. The first method is to transfer to another phone. Open the Google Authenticator app, then tap on the three lines menu at the top left corner and select Transfer Accounts. After that, tap on Export Accounts. This will give you a QR code. Scan the QR code with your new phone and this will copy all your codes to the new device. Next, save backup codes or setup keys. Go to the website or app where you enabled two-factor authentication, and when setting off two-factor authentication, you're usually given a setup key or backup codes. Take a screenshot of this key or save it somewhere safe like secure notes, a password manager, or even print it on paper. And if you ever lose your phone, you can use this saved key to restore your codes on a new device. And that's all. Now your Google Authenticator codes are safely backed up. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more of these videos, and thank you for watching.